A very good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher Revisions. Learn Maths with Ravi Sir. Welcome to. So, since more than 4 months, I have been taking an online class for 10th class students exactly at 6 o'clock. I have completed teaching in all the subjects, all the chapters have completed. Now I am doing a fast revision. I am doing fast revision. Okay. So, revision plays a very vital role in getting good marks. So I am doing revision. Now at present I am doing a trigonometry revision of trigonometry. కూర్చో ఇక్కడే కూర్చో నేను చెప్పుకుంటాను నువ్వు చేసుకో. So but I am taking problems from RD Sharma book. Yesterday I have explained you one concept, like basic concept I have explained you. Now I am going to explain the next concept. Well, maths exam ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని చేసుకుంటావా? నేను మ్యాథ్సే చెప్తున్నాను, అక్కడ కూర్చొని చేసుకుంటావా? డౌట్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే వచ్చి అడిగేసాయి, ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా పర్వాలేదా? ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ చెప్తున్నాను, యాంగిల్స్. సరే. So I am teaching problems from RD Sharma, right? So yesterday I have explained you the basic concepts. Now I am going to explain angles, trigonometric ratios of special angles. Okay. So special angles means not all the angles, only very few angles, like my 0 degrees, 45, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and okay, yeah. So let me start. నువ్వు చేసుకో నాన్న, ఇది నీకు మంచిది. So trigonometric ratios of specific angles, that I will explain you first, and then I am going to do some problems on from the RD Sharma book. Okay. So now 0 degrees we are going to learn 30 degrees, 0 degrees, and 45 degrees, and 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So trigonometric ratios of only these angles it is there in 10th class. So these are the specific angles. We will get these values directly from different triangles, one right triangle, isosceles right triangle, equilateral triangle, etc. So now we need to find out sine of 0, cos of 0, tan of all these angles, okay, and cosecant, secant, and cot. Okay. So now, so these angles we will be finding. We already found. I'll give you an easy method to remember. So you write 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 0 से शुरू करना है. You have to start from 0. We have got till 4 and divide by 4. Okay, and then write the square root. So this is one way of remembering the values. Okay. So 0 by 4 is 0. So finally answer is 0, and that is the value of sine 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0. And 1 by 2, 1 by 4, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. So, sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then in the same way, it will get cancelled. 1, square root of 1 is 1, root 2. So, sine 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So, here there is no cancellation, root 3 by root 4 is 2. So, sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So, both will get cancelled, it is only 1, square root of 1 is 1. So, sine 90 is equal to 1. This is one way of remembering the angles. So, once you get this sign, all the angles will come. Okay. Then rest of all angles depending on this line, sign only. So, now you write the in the reverse order. उधर से शुरू करो. So, then what happened? 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 comes in the middle, 1 by 2 here and this 0. That means whatever you get sign values, you write in the reverse order so that you will be getting cos. Okay. So, cos 0, 1, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. So, see, we didn't find anything cos, so sign को reverse करके डालना था because it is they are complementary angles, so automatically it will come. Now tan, how to get tan? Tan is nothing but sin by cos. Okay, sin by cos. So then this LO by sin values by cos values. 0 by 1, 0 by anything is 0, 0. Now 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, denominators will get cancelled. It is equal to 1 by root 3. And 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, it is equal to 1. So denominators will get cancelled, root 3. 1 upon 0 not defined because anything divided by 0 is not defined, 0. So now we have got tan. Now how to get cosecant? Reciprocal of sine. So reciprocal of sine, 0 reciprocal is not defined. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal is 1. You can write cos reciprocal or you write in the reverse order. Okay, this you can write in the reverse order or cos reciprocal also, both are same. 1 reciprocal is 1, root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3 and 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2 and 1 by 2 is 2 and this is 0 reciprocal is not defined. Okay. So, this is how you will be getting a secant. Now, cot is reciprocal of tan. So, reciprocal of tan, 0 reciprocal is infinity, 1 by root 3 reciprocal is root 3, 1 reciprocal is 1, root 3 reciprocal is 1 by root 3 and infinity reciprocal is 0. So, this is how you can remember, because definitely this angles related questions will come in the examination. So, better you draw this table somewhere. So, you will be using this table values at least 2-3 different places. So, instead of writing wrong values, better once you are starting doing examination questions, trigonometry questions in the examination paper, it will take how much time I have taken with explanation. I took around 3 to 4 minutes. So, you can write this table in 1 minute. So, practice writing this table of values so that in the examination you will do this very fast. So, you can use the values, these values without mistakes, right. So, you know how to do, but if the value is wrong, you will be getting wrong question. Okay. So, now using these values we have to do some questions, right. I have RD Sharma with me. RD Sharma, let us do some RD Sharma questions. I am going to do only the examination questions. right? Board examination questions from RD Sharma he has given. I am going to do, right? So now CBSE 2023. Let me take one more example 1. This is a 2023 examination question. I am directly using the bigger questions only. 5 cos square 60 degrees and plus 4 secant square 30 degrees plus, not plus, minus tan square 45 degrees whole divided by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. So, a very big problem, and it came in 2023, that means 2023 board examination question. Okay. So, इसमें nothing to think, there is nothing to think, you just write the values in that and simplify it over. So, let me write the values because I remember all those values. Right. First you draw a divided by, because a very big problem, so you need legibility. If you are having problem with the handwriting, do it separately numerator and do separately denominator, and then write numerator by denominator. That is also okay. Okay. So, this method is fine and this method is also fine. I will do in this method. So, I will write first is equal to, and then I will put a big line by, right, and numerator and denominator is equal to के ऊपर numerator, नीचे denominator. So, now 5 is 5 only. Okay. Cos square 30, cos square 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So, this is 1 by 2 whole square, because it is cos square. So, cos square 60 means cos 60 whole square. Please remember. Please remember. So, I have finished cos. Now, 4 there is no chance. This is plus, second term 4, same, secant 30. Secant 30 means cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. So, it is 2 upon root 3 whole square minus tan square 45, 1 whole square. So, I told you na, values plays a very important role. If you are writing these values, you will get the wrong answer. So, values are very, very important. Now, down denominator, sin 30 is half, so 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2 whole square. I have executed, substituted all the values. Now, I have to simplify it. Again, I will put n is equal to and divided by symbol. Okay. Then I will simplify numerator. So, 5 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 4, 2 by root 3 whole square is 4 by 3. 2 square 4, root 3 whole square 3, minus 1. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, plus root 3 square 3 and 2 square is 4. Okay. So, now next again is equal to this one, right. So, then how much? 5 by 4, this is 5 upon 4, 4 4s are 16 upon 3, and this is 1 upon 1 also you can have it. This is 4 by 4. Denominators are same, you can add numerators directly. So, then these two will get cancelled. So, denominator is 1, you can remove it. You don't need to write it. So now only numerator is remaining. I'm not writing denominator. Denominator got cancelled, 1. Okay. Now 4 and 3. Again I'll write, don't worry. 4, 3, LCM is 12, and this is 1. Okay. So 4 in 12, 3 times, 3 5s are 15, and 4, 64 minus 12. Okay. So then how much is the answer? And now I will remove 1. So 15, this is how much? 79. 79 minus 12. Okay, 67. So 67 is the answer. Okay, this is a very bigger question, long answer type question. So easy question. Only you have to do is you have to remember all the values. Even if you don't remember the values, I gave you a small technique to write the values somewhere in the corner or last page mein kahin na kahin you make the table and then use those values. See how many values we have used: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if one value is if you are getting wrong, the whole problem is wrong. So work on trigonometry angles. So this is one question from RD Sharma. Let me take one more question from RD Sharma. Board examination question only. Okay, this question has come in the 2019. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus B is equal to 1. Comma tan A minus B is equal to 1 upon root 3, comma 0 degrees less than A plus B less than 90 degrees, comma A is yes, and A is greater than B, and find the values of AB. Find A, B. This is the question. Okay, this is 2019 P by Q, previous year question. Okay. So now here let us say now these things are there. You don't worry. ये देख के confuse मत रहो. This meaning is A plus B value. That means this value lying between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. That means this A plus B is acute angle. Acute angle, not 0 degrees, not 90 degrees. Okay. And A minus B he has not given. A is greater than B. That means A is bigger and B is smaller. Find A and B. That's it. You don't need to worry about these things. These are the common things. Now tan A plus B is 1 and tan of something is equal to 1. Tan of something is equal to 1. Check the table, find the table. In the table, tan of how much is 1 you find out, and you will be getting 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So now this you have to write from the table. And tan of how much is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. So if you are writing these two things wrong, definitely the whole problem will be wrong. So then what happened? These two are equal and these two are equal. So A plus B is equal to 45 degrees and A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Say this is first equation and this is a second equation. Now nothing but this is Rishi, good morning. This is nothing but simultaneous equation in two variables. That's why simultaneous equation in two variables also is very, very important. Okay, very important. You are applying that concept in this. Now our ultimate target is to find out A and B. So then what I will do, A plus B is equal to 45 degrees, first equation, and A minus B is equal to 30 degrees, second equation. Now I am adding, if I add, what happened, B's will get cancelled. 2A is equal to 75 degrees. Okay, 2A is equal to 75 degrees. And then A is equal to 75 degrees by 2. So how much? 37.5 degrees. A is equal to 37.5 degrees. So I got the point. So I should check it. Whenever I have a problem like this, my attitude is to check whether I have written correctly or not. So this is correct. This is, I am having a doubt. I will check it out. Okay, tan of which angle is, don't feel shy to check it. Tan of how much? Tan 30. 30 is correct. Now I got correct. Let me check from the textbook also. I must have copied wrong, no? That also I am going to check it out. Tan A plus B 1, tan A minus B is 1 by root 3. That is also correct. So my verification is done. This is correct. Now I got A value, B value. So then substitute A is equal to 37.5 in first equation. So first equation, write down first. A plus B is equal to 45 degrees, and A 37.5 plus B is equal to 45, and B is equal to 45 minus 37.5 is equal to, don't feel shy to do like this, 10 minus 5, 14 minus 7, 7.5 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 37.5 degrees and B is equal to 7.5 degrees. This is also a very, very, very important question, very important question. Okay, and in textbook also it is there, in the textbook also it is there. Let me take one more question from RD Sharma. This is previous year examination questions only. Okay, so now 2023, one more question is there, that also I will do it. 2023, example 3. Okay, so let me copy this properly. 4 cot square 45 degrees minus secant square 60 degrees plus sin square 60 degrees plus P is equal to 3 upon 4, find P. Let me check whether I have copied it correctly or not. 4 cot square 45 degrees, secant square 60 degrees, sin square 60 degrees plus P is equal to 3 by 4. Yeah, I corrected copyly. Okay. So now I have to put the values. Cot 45. I am not going to do anything. I am just putting. So 4 is 4 only. Cot 45 is 1 whole square. Secant 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. This is 2 whole square. Sin 60. Root 3 by 2 whole square plus P is equal to 3 by 4. Now all the values have come. This is simple equation in one variable, only P. Now simplify it first. So 4 into 1 square, this is 1, 4 into 1 square 4, this is 4 plus this is 3 by 4 and plus P is equal to 3 by 4. So now 4 will get cancelled and both sides 3 by 4 is there, that is also will get cancelled and P is equal to 0. Okay, so answer is P is equal to 0. Don't think that P is equal to 1, because everything is get cancelled, only P is remaining. Cancel means eliminated, right? So 0, P is equal to 0. Itna bada problem, we got a small answer, right? So now almost all the questions are like this only. Let me check some more questions, right? Some more questions in examination questions. Let me take up one more question. This is 2019 example for 2019 sine square. Evaluate sine square 60 degrees plus 2 tan 45 degrees minus cos square 30 degrees. Okay, it's very simple. I will leave it to you. You can do by yourself. Okay, this is 2019, right? Let me take up one more question. 2024, so many questions are there. 2024, right? Let me give you one more question. This is also an examination question. X sine 60 degrees plus cos 30 degrees minus tan 45 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Find x. So it is like a previous question only. So x value is there, x is remaining. You put all the values of everything and you will be getting a linear equation in one variable. Find the value of x. This also I am leaving it to you. Okay. Now with this I have completed angles. So I will be doing tomorrow next topic. See you and bye bye. Have a nice day. Please like and my videos, share my videos and subscribe my channel. So tomorrow same time, let us understand, let us revise few more things in trigonometry. Bye bye.